हेलो लर्नर्स, आज अपन एक और कॉन्सेप्ट सीखते हैं। अभी हमने देखा था कि 3 पॉइंट्स थे, तो पॉइंट्स कैसे थे? कोलिनियर या फिर दे विल फॉर्म अ ट्रायंगल। जब अब हमारे पास 4 पॉइंट्स होंगे तो इट विल फॉर्म अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल। यस वी नो 4 वर्टिसेस आर रिक्वायर्ड टू फॉर्म अ quadrilateral, right? So there are multiple types of quadrilateral. First, the quadrilateral is parallelogram. Second, rectangle, square, rhombus. It means all these are having a different properties. That's why their namings are different. तो हम समझ लेते हैं पैरेललोग्राम की खासियत क्या होती है. फॉर बीइंग द क्वाड्रिलेटरल टू बी पैरेललोग्राम, व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम? The opposite sides. What are the opposite sides? AB. The opposite sides are equal and parallel. We will not talk about the parallel concept because we need to find out the distance. So we will not talk about the parallel concept here. So the opposite sides are of equal length. So AB will be equals to CD, or BC is equals to AD. Likewise, in a rectangle, we have opposite sides equal. AB is equals to DC and BC is equals to AD. In square and rhombus, we have all the sides equal to each other. So AB equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA. Also in rhombus, we have all the sides equal. AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA. Now the question arises, how to differentiate between the parallelogram and the rectangle? By seeing their distances only. So if we have 4 points, we can find out the 6 distances. The first is AB, the second is BC, the third is CA, the fourth is DA, and the last two are the diagonal distance. Yes, we can find out the distance between their diagonals because these are also the points. We can find out the distance between AC as well as BD. The opposite vertexes joining the line which joins the opposite vertex is known as diagonal. So we can also find out the diagonals. So with the help of diagonal, we can differentiate among rectangle and rhombus, rectangle and parallelogram. So in parallelogram, the diagonals are of unequal length. So AC is not equal to BD. If the diagonals length are equal, then we can say that the parallelogram will be called as rectangle. Here AC is equals to BD. Also in square, the diagonals are of equal length, and in rhombus, the diagonal's length is unequal. That's how we differentiate between पैरेललोग्राम, रेक्टेंगल, स्क्वायर एंड रोम्बस। अब इस पर बेस में आपको क्वेश्चन कराऊंगी, तो पहले आप इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज ध्यान रखें जिससे आपको क्वेश्चन करने में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम ना हो। थैंक यू।